Welcome back to the channel. It's Darlene Irene here with my wonderful, loving husband. And we did a back tire change and spark plug change on the Road King. So if you're interested, here is your ticket to the shit show. Continue watching.
I'm afraid Jack, baby.
Yeah, with duct tape.
You got them all this part.
What's wrong, Jackie?
That motherfucker's on there, that's what's wrong. You filming that? You lying bitch. Not tie my damn head.
Guess that worked after all, huh?
Yeah. I don't want to mess up the threads. You can quit being so difficult. All right, move your pipe.
I'm not being difficult. You just gouged my fucking pipe.
I'll buy you some more. I'll put the stockings back on.
No, you will not.
Why not? Watching?
Yeah,
Did you laugh?
Yes. I
Why?
thought you sat on a nut. That's why you made that noise.
No.
She said, I just look scared by you.
It looks like a spacer there too. See it? You got it tied up?
No, you told me to stop
Put that
touching
in the tray.
everything. Said I need breakfast. I'm getting
You
hangry.
need a stiff dick. And I need to give you one. Is that on?
Yeah.
You gonna delete that out?
Yeah, I'll delete it out.
I bet you will.
Well, guess one of us looks like we've been working on a motorcycle.
Heck yeah.
You've been the one working. Why is it on my forehead? Did you hit me in the forehead, Jackie?
No, you stuck your nose in my butt and that's what you get.
Let me get my hand back. Wow! Great idea. You shove it in there. What was that?
This.
Thing.
Yeah. That's got to go on before you put the shaft on.
Oh, okay.
Told you it's still in training.
You gotta back it up. Ain't gonna fit. Still not gonna fit. Alright, maybe. Come on down, Laguna.
I ain't stopped yet.
Belt's on.
Hold on.
I didn't do anything.
You said push in. I said
am.
hold on.
You get too excited.
All right, push it. Give it to me, baby.
I'm giving it to you, motherfucker.
Oh. All right.
Yeah, I'm happy.
You done something right. Shit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love you. I love you, girl. You finna hit me with that one.
Oh.
You lying, bitch.
Open the book.
Don't lose my page.
Is my book the one that's tore up?
Yeah.
Of course I get tore up.
All right. Look at the tire.
Yeah.
That's it.
What I say, 43 to 48 foot-pounds. And it says alternate tightening. We're gonna get sushi tonight.
Huh?
We're gonna get sushi tonight.
I don't know. I'm worried about that damn screw.
What screw?
I don't think it's 20 foot pounds.
We Google it. It all up. You see it saddlebag hide.
Take your hand and do it the rest of the way.
There you go. Like that.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't mind doing.
thing. Make sure you got the right plug. 6R12, that's what it is. Got it on tight? Yeah. Good.
That's good?
Yeah.
I just push this on.
Yep. Make sure it pops all the way down. Well, your fans watch your channel just to see me, right?
Should be the Darlene and Jackie show. Hi. Okay, there you go. God, how far does that go in?
All the way. Don't turn it till you get it on there. There you go. When you turn it before you got it on there. That's strip the head of that thing, then you gotta go buy another one. It's good. The same distance of light as you hear you are there.
Yep, I can see the Harley Davidson thing. I changed my spark plugs. It's hot,
Temper's flared.
just a little bit. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. I know I said the next motorcycle video would be the powder coating experience, but I have decided it's full-blown riding season right now, so I'm gonna wait, and
Smart move.
that's what he wanted me to do. I'm gonna wait and do that towards, you know, the end of the year when we're not riding as much.
Every time we don't ride.
However, I will be ordering new rear shocks. So, stick around if you want to see the shocks I get. Thanks.